So as we earlier said that the prevention cost is all those costs which are spent to avoid the non-conformance, to avoid the poor quality. This is something which you invest beforehand as a proactive measure to avoid the quality problems. Any cost related to that would be considered as prevention cost. Prevention cost could include quality planning. So whatever planning you are doing to make sure that you make the right thing first time, that will be the cost of prevention. Whatever money you are spending in education and training to avoid any problems, that's the prevention cost. Any design review which you do beforehand to avoid the quality problem happening in the first place will be considered as prevention cost. There could be number of prevention costs. So as I am going through these 4 costs of quality: prevention, appraisal, internal failure and external failure, I would suggest that you take a piece of paper and pen and write down in your work area what type of costs you are incurring as prevention cost, what cost you are incurring as appraisal, internal failure or external failure. Look at that from your own product or service point of view. Here I am just giving you a few high level examples of each of these costs. So we talked about the prevention cost here. Let's move on to the next slide and look at the appraisal costs of quality.